Okay, so this is a video to show you how to download and install Zoom. First we'll open up Google Chrome or any browser that you have to do some search. We'll then go to Google. Then in the search bar we'll look up Zoom. Download. We'll then come down to here where it says Download Center Zoom. Go into that. And in here you should see a big download button. Make sure it is the Download Zoom client for meetings. We'll then click on Download. In Google you should see the installer downloading at the bottom. You can either click on the Zoom installer here, or if you don't have that, you can open a file and go into your downloads and look for the file called Zoom installer. So you can see I downloaded it once before. Once you've found that, you will then double click and open this, or you can right click and go open, and that should get you into the installing stage. So wait for this. And it does everything by itself and it gets into here, and then you have basically installed Zoom. To double check, you can go down to the bottom here and search for Zoom, and you have Zoom here. Okay. Or you can look for it at the bottom here, which you have Zoom. Okay, there will be the next video will be on how to sign into Zoom.